Now I've got my interior walls in here using a combination of wireframe to see where they go, and so I popped in some doors here as well. These are some fire doors that I have, and again, if you ask me, I'll pop them up on the Engage for you. This is a sliding pocket door that I downloaded, and I think more useful in terms of swinging doors and between the living room and the sitting room. Okay, I put in some dimensions here now as well, and so that's pretty good. I just noticed here now that I don't like the position of that door just there, so I'm going to see again if I've got this dimension which allows me to shift the door frame. So exterior face wall offset, I think that's it, 120. Let's try that. Yeah, okay, now that's a bit more like it there. In fact, I could push that up a little bit further, I think 170. Alright, now that'll do very nicely there. Okay, so I'm going to do my stairs here now, and the stairs I think is just a straightforward, as far as I can see, wireframe. I don't think there's any kink at the top. Perfect, straightforward stairs. Let's do that. Now let's check and see what kind of width we're working with here. So 800. Okay, let's try that. Architecture, stairs. Now we don't want a concrete, we just want a domestic private staircase here. Going to the properties of that there, we're going to change the maximum riser height to 205. Tread depth is 250 and the run is going to be 800 wide. Okay, so we'll start at this point here, and you can see you have 2, 4, and so on, and we just pull it the whole way through. Now that doesn't look too bad. And let's take our section line, shift it in down here, and that's section 2. Let's take a look at that. There it goes. Alright, that's spot on. Now, so what we want to do is work out roughly where our dimension is going to be here, and let's just go back a little bit here as well. Ground floor plan. Let's get into wireframe. Okay, so there is a study room here, right? So we need to try and maintain that 2150 there, something like that, before we go in and edit this. Now, okay, so into my first floor plan. Right, and I'll use a little annotation detail line, my red lines here, which are my construction lines, and it was 2150. So roughly something like that there. Let's pick the floor and edit the boundary. Let's bring in a line from, that looks about right there, to right here, to there, to there, and split this and trim. Okay, no, don't attach. Let's go back into our section 1. Right, and now let's just check this dimension here. So, bring that point down to about there. Yep, we're in perfectly in view there. Now, if you remember last year, Tom showed you how to face this off and other bits and pieces like that there, but that is all looking pretty good at this moment in time. Last thing I'm going to do here now, just to finish off, I'm going to create some rooms. So no, I don't need a room separator here, I don't think so. Room, I'll use the metric. Let's see what else we've got here. A medium size with metric, yeah, that'll do. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I will right click and say select all instances visible in the view. Go into the properties here. I don't want the room number, I just want the area. Okay. So, and then I will double click each of these and put in the room name. And that will more or less kind of finish off the structure of that. Still have to do the fit out with the kitchen and all of that kind of stuff, and the services and all of that. But that's not a bad old start there.